What's up, everybody? It's Ro in Dallas, and as promised, I'm going to go over why I'm so excited about this new opportunity we have in our hands concerning Bitcoin and how you can get it deposited into your crypto wallets twice a week. So I'm just going to fast forward and show you some of these top earners. These are top earners as reported by the DSA, or the Direct Selling Association, in just the past 2 years. Let me just pull out the number 2 earner of the top 100 is in this particular opportunity in less than 2 years. And I want to point out that this person monthly is bringing in $1.6 million, 7 figures per month, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the annual, 19 million plus per year in less than 2 years. Let me just go on down, because that's not it in the top 10. Number 4, $1.4 million a month, annually 17 million per year. Let's scoot on down, and I'm gonna highlight another one. This person, Hector, 440 grand per month, 5.2 annually. Let's move on down. Oscar, monthly 383,000 per month, 4.5 per year. Ladies and gentlemen, in less than 2 years, this is happening right under everyone's noses. I mean, listen, this company blew up in Mexico and South America, and right now we are just some of the few people that are aware of what's happening here in North America, in Asia and Europe. So this is prime for an incredible explosion. I know you're like me. You don't want to hear about this explosion, a year from now, 2 years, 3 years down the road. You want to know about it and take action on it today so that you can profit like my man Brandon here, 350,000 a month, 4.2. And then we got Rodrigo, 347,000 per month, 4.1 per year. And then down here, number 39, 335,000 per month, over 4 million a year. Guys, in less than 2 years, are you kidding me? This is what you need to know about. So last person on the list here at 310,000 per month. And I'm sorry, this is not the last person on the list. This is the last person I'm going to highlight in this video. 3.7 million per year in a very short time period, ladies and gentlemen. So, hey, if you're looking at this on my TikTok or on Reels, you need to look at my profile. Go into the link. I'm going to show you the marketing system that you're going to get free of charge just for grabbing a position on myself and my wife Diane's team. My name is Ro Fisher. Her name is Diane Fisher. Guys, we're going to do some incredible things with this opportunity starting right now today. Love the fact that it's Bitcoin. Love the fact that you don't have to do any swaps with any other cryptocurrency. Love the fact that you can do it with your Cash App. That's something a lot of people in North America are familiar with. So boom, go ahead and get locked in right now. There's a link in my profile, in my bio, or somewhere around this particular video. Make sure that if you're seeing this on another social media outlet and there's a link in the comments, that it belongs to the profile with a picture that looks just like me. Some people, some jokesters get on the profiles and put links, as if they were the person that posted that post. But of course, they're just pranksters. So definitely click the link where it says Ro and Diane Fisher, or Ro Fisher. Guys, I'll see you on the inside. Some incredible things happening. I want you and your family to be part of it too. I'll see you on the inside of the marketing system. Take care.